my hive with my kind of pink boxes. And my bees are very busy. The top two boxes, you can kind of see there's a little bit of a slit right there where it's spaced. From there up, and every box that I add on will be my honey for me. And the bottom three boxes are for the bees to keep over the winter. So I just put the very next box on. They're doing really good and just filling them up like crazy. So pretty excited. As you can see in the storm, this tree fell from right there. So we got really lucky. Very lucky that it didn't fall on my hive. It was really close. Actually, you can see all the branches I trimmed there. It was touching the top of the hive there, so pretty lucky. But doing really good so far, and pretty excited. Good job, bees.